Have you ever wondered how some people make money by just sharing products they like on the internet? Imagine earning money from home just by talking about things you already use and love. This is called affiliate marketing. Every time someone buys a product because you suggested it, you earn a little money. Last year, people all over the world made over $6 billion doing this. Today, I will show you the very first steps you need to take to start making money this way, even if you've never done it before. We will start by learning what affiliate marketing is, how to pick the best things to talk about, and where to find companies that will pay you. Ready to find out how you can start your adventure and possibly earn your first dollars online? Keep watching as we begin our journey into the world of affiliate marketing. Let's start with the basics of affiliate marketing. Imagine you have a lemonade stand and you tell your friend about a great place to buy lemons. Your friend buys lemons from there, and the shop owner gives you some coins for bringing them a new customer. That's pretty much how affiliate marketing works, but instead of lemons, you can talk about all sorts of products online. Affiliate marketing is when you help sell products for other people or companies. You get a special link, and when people buy the product using your link, you earn money. This link is just for you and tracks every sale you make. Think of it like this: if you love a video game and tell your friends about it with your special link, and they buy the game through your link, the company that made the game will give you a part of the money. It's a way for companies to sell more products and for you to earn money by just sharing what you like. Many people around the world are making money this way. It's like having a shop without needing to make any products yourself. And the best part, you can do it from your home, in your pajamas. A niche is just a fancy word for a topic you like and know a lot about. It could be anything: video games, books, makeup, or even toys. To pick your niche, think about what you enjoy talking about the most or what you know a lot about. The more you like your niche, the easier it will be to talk about products related to it. Why does this matter? Because when you care about your topic, people can tell. They'll trust you more and be more likely to buy what you recommend. Also, when you know a lot about your topic, you can answer questions and help people decide what to buy. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, once said, "It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction." This is true for niches too. Pick a niche you admire and want to learn more about, and your enthusiasm will grow along with your affiliate earnings. Now that you know what you want to talk about, it's time to find companies that will pay you. There are many places to find these companies. Some websites, like Amazon Associates, offer a program where you can sign up and get links to any product they sell. Other places like ClickBank and Sell specialize in connecting people like you with companies that want to sell products. When choosing a program, look for a few important things. How much money will you earn from each sale? This is called commission. Higher commission means more money for you. How long do the links track the sales? Some links only track it for a day or two, while others might track it for a month or more. What kind of products are they selling? Make sure they sell products you feel good about recommending. Finally, you need a place to share your links. You can start a blog, a YouTube channel, or even use social media like Instagram or Facebook. Wherever you choose, your goal is to tell people about the products and share your special link. Here's how you can do it. Create good content. This could be writing articles, making videos, or even just posts on social media. Whatever you choose, make sure it's interesting and helpful. Talk about the benefits of the products, how they work, and why you like them. Share your content, use social media, emails, or even tell friends and family. The more people see your content, the more likely they are to buy the products. Keep track of what works, see which products people like the most and which ones they buy. Use this information to make even better content in the future. Remember, the core of successful affiliate marketing lies in the trust you build with your audience. Your friends and viewers need to see you as a reliable source of information. By keeping your reviews genuine and only recommending products that you truly stand behind, you create a foundation of trust. This isn't just about making a quick sale, it's about forming a community of followers who value your opinions and look forward to your recommendations. This trust leads to repeat visits and sales, helping you build a stable online presence. When you focus on being honest and transparent, your audience will appreciate your integrity. Always explain why you like a product and how it has personally benefited you. If there's something you don't like, don't shy away from mentioning it. This balanced approach will show that you respect your audience's right to make informed decisions. By meticulously following the steps outlined and dedicating time to carefully craft each part of your affiliate marketing journey, you're not just starting a business, you're embarking on a path to potentially significant online earnings. What are you waiting for? Take the first step, set up your platform, and make your first affiliate sale. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let me know what you thought of this video and what other topics you'd like to see. Are there specific areas in affiliate marketing you need help with? Let me know in the comments, and your suggestion could be the topic of our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides and insights. Happy marketing!